Dear Muslims, for as long as I shall live, one of the most painful images that I will carry with me is the image of a young child, 2 years old. We all saw it 10 years ago. A 2-year-old Syrian child washed ashore on some random beach, wearing his beautiful, cute red shirt, his blue jeans. So peaceful, it looked like he is sleeping. But of course, he wasn't sleeping. He had been drowned because his family was fleeing from a war-torn Syria in search of a more peaceful land, somewhere, anywhere other than Bilad Sham, where they had lived for many, many generations. That innocent child's death collectively displayed the callousness that the entire world, and I do not free myself as well of that blame, the entire world displayed to yet another man-made humanitarian crisis, caused directly and solely by the brutality of the most evil dictator, somebody I have no qualms calling the firaun of our times, the dictator, the son of a dictator, somebody who caused more havoc and more chaos than anybody the world has seen for the last 100 years. This week, the man who caused over 12 million of his own people to become refugees, himself became a refugee as he fled for his own life. And the peoples whom he and his father had persecuted for more than 60 years, for the first time they pray Jumu'ah today as a free population. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbaru kabira, walhamdulillahi kathira, wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila, la ilaha illallah wahda, sadaqa wa'da, wa nasara abda, wa a'azza junda, wa hazama al-ahzaba wahda. Allahu Akbar. What joyous images we are seeing coming from the free people of Bilad Sham, that holy land, that is Ard al-Muqaddas, that land that our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ascribed to all of us. He said, "Oh Allah, bless us in our Bilad Sham. It is our land. It doesn't belong to any dictator. It doesn't belong to any ruling family. It is a land that belongs to the Ummah in its entirety." And so today, as we see the realities of what is going on,